Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Trump update. And Trump, I think, is trying to make a little bit of recovery, and time will tell if this thing recovers or not. Private is opened up, and a lot of people have been shopping this, whatever this crash was, or a very big dump that has happened in February and January as well. A lot of people have been buying, and I think that has been pretty smart. Some people have done the smart thing. I think it's really low. Even if you had asked me, I would actually never say that no, it's not a good buying time. I think it is a good buying time because a lot of these coins are down at the bare bottom of 2022. So there are some coins that I think are very good, and they're down to their 2022 bare bottom. And few of them are, not every one of them. Some of them are still high. They've actually been performing well. Chainlink is high. Ethereum is already high. You're not gonna get it at 2022 bare bottom. But there is one coin that if you buy now, it's almost as if you bought in 2022, and it's actually a good coin. So if you want that, because I know a lot of you have been burned out with Trump already, and this can even do 2x. It's a 2x coin that can double your investment potentially. Don't go big. Do not put all your money into it. I would actually say dollar cost your way down the road. But yes, if you're fine with that, if you want to know that, the rest you might want to do a little bit more research about it. But the thing is, I'm just going to point you to the right direction with this one. So message me on Discord, comment Discord if you're not on Discord, and I will tell you for totally free of cost again. And I've given Polkadot before, and Polkadot did 2x as I was expecting it to do. But anyways, with Trump again, it's now sideways and very random. So what is the next thing that is going to happen? Now it's simple, okay? The next thing is accumulation. In my opinion, I don't know if it's going to be an accumulation where you continue down to even $12 to $10 and then do something like this to go up, but it's going to be an accumulation zone right now, okay? Whatever it is, because one thing is very clear, the downtrend is already broken. This was the downtrend and it got broken out of, right? That downtrend is done. It's already done. Now, the only thing I can say, because there's no pattern, there's no falling wedge in this, there is no inverse head and shoulders, there is no ascending triangle. There's only one thing that makes sense out of everything else, and it's the most logical, and that is the market cycles. That's all, right? It's just the market cycle. It goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, right? The cycle. And the cycle says whenever you break a downtrend, right? So this is your downtrend. You're going down, you're having pump up, you're going down again, lower highs and lower lows. That's what the downtrend definition is, okay? And when you break that downtrend, when the downtrend is actually broken, what do you start? You start a sideways movement. And this sideways movement is just a little bit of consolidation, and then you start a markup, right? Then you start to go to the upside. Unfortunately, I cannot tell you how low this can come, or maybe it can pump from here. That is actually going to be hard to navigate, right? You do not know where the stop loss is going to be, because there is no pattern, there is no way you can understand. And it's a fairly new coin, okay? Trump is new coin. So it's not going to be a very good coin for you to trade short term or in the smaller time frame. But on the 4-hour time frame, I think it's a cycle that you can trade. And that is, you still never know. Some people are going to consider $16.86 as a good entry, right? And even if it goes down to $12 or $15 or $14, they will still say that, yes, we bought at $16.8, but it's still a good entry. Why? Because it is being accumulated at the moment. That's how some people will look at it. But some people who are scalping, they're going to say, oh, we entered at 16.8, it's down at $14, and that's going to be a huge loss. I understand that. But that depends on how you're trading. And I would actually say this: if you're trying to scalp this thing, just don't do it. If you're trying to be like an intraday trader right now and try to trade in the next 2 to 3 weeks, perhaps this accumulation zone could actually be a good idea. Or you can just ignore everything in here because it's new and it's hard to trade, and try to trade after 2 to 3 months properly when you have more data and much more better structure with Trump, because new coins are very, very, very tricky, right? You just don't have enough data to predict the future. And what if you just, continue on and create another downtrend to go even lower? Because Bitcoin also have $77,000 threat. It has some threat for a double top as well. That's another issue. And all in all, that's going to be an issue. And that's the reason why I want to give you this coin for free, because at least that coin has been here since 2019. So I'm looking at the structure that I understand better for the past 6 years. So it's a coin I've known for 6 years. Maybe if I tell you, you're gonna get to know that obviously this is a good coin. Maybe if you've been long here long enough, you will know it's actually a good one. So that's all for the video. Do message me on Discord, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love is.